Hi, and welcome everybody. So, my name's Jack Bridges. I'm from Teledyne Labtech based in the UK. This week at the IMS show in Boston, we're showcasing our PCB manufacturing capabilities, but we take manufacturing to a whole new level when it comes to the printed circuit board industry. What we tend to do is, rather than taking just the customer's design and manufacturing it to their specification, we're helping with their design. So we're very DFM focused at the design for manufacturability of the customer's requirements. We're taking their designs and we're telling them and we're giving them advice and we're supporting them on the layer structures, the material types, and things like that, and such like that. So one other thing that we're doing what we call the full end-to-end spectrum. So it's that DFM approach to the design, to the manufacture, but also then applied to what we call the assembly and the RF testing capabilities as well. This week, we're also showcasing not only all of these capabilities, but we're also trying to highlight what our new industry-led rapid quote to manufacture service. So what we're aiming to do is be able to quote in as little as 24 hours, but also then on top of that, being able to manufacture and potentially deliver your boards in as little as 5 days. So we've got a lot to offer, not just your standard everyday PCB manufacturer, complex boards, DFM focused. Please stop by, see what we got about us, come and talk to one of the team. We're at 19076. Thank you very much.